I'm just following Jim.
Day 8, Monday, July 25th. This was a touring day. We went from Frenchman's Cove to Burin, then Lameline, then Sharon's Nook and Grand Bank for lunch, and then back to the campground. Point A is Frenchman's Cove, and going to B, which is Burin. Going in a clockwise direction from point B, Burin, to C, Lameline. Going from C, in the fog, drizzle, and rain, up to Grand Banks for Shannon's Nook for lunch. After a nice lunch in Grand Banks, we headed back to Frenchman's Cove. It was a full day, over 375 kilometers.
In Burin. We're just past Burin. Heading to Smuggler's Cove Roadhouse. Isn't this something? Blind Hills Hidden Driveway. Okay. So this is July 25th. Temperature is 24 degrees. This is stunning. Unfortunately, there's a memorial here for 27 people that perished in a tidal wave in November 1929.
On the 18th of November 1929, a tsunami struck Newfoundland's Burin Peninsula and caused considerable loss of life and property. Giant waves hit the coast at 40 kilometers per hour, flooding dozens of communities and washing entire homes out to sea. The disaster killed 28 people and left hundreds more homeless or destitute. It was the most destructive earthquake-related event in Newfoundland and Labrador's history and occurred at the beginning of a worldwide depression.
See that over there? Look at this, and the fog just coming in. Well, this is quite pretty. One of the many cute towns that we've been skirting through. I'm just following Jim. This is a very snug little harbor in here. All these little villages here. We've just been circling this harbor, but look at the fog and mist. I hope it picks it up on the camera. On the Burin Peninsula. We're making a clockwise loop around this peninsula. We'll see where we get to today. As you can see, we can't see. The fog has rolled in. We were trying to see the lighthouse and then seeing France, and that just didn't happen. So we're making our way to Grand Banks. And it's a chilly 17 degrees. So I've had to put some layers on. And no doubt when we move further inland, it'll warm up again.
We had a lovely lunch at Sharon's Nook with Gerhard and Sherry, and after that we headed back to Frenchman's Cove for the evening.